Hello friends, welcome to my channel Everyday Bengali. Today we are going to prepare a very traditional Bengali dish called muri ghanto. For this we need the head of a fish, preferably a carp like rohu or katla, rice and potatoes and other spices. So muri means head and ghanto means a kind of semi-dried preparation and hence the name muri ghanto. So there is a head of one fish which is cut into 4 pieces and cleaned. So we need to take out the gills because sometimes they have mud caught in them. So this is cut and cleaned. We apply some turmeric and salt and keep it marinated for some time. So the next important ingredient is rice. In India generally we use Gobindabhog rice, or we can also use basmati. I'm using basmati today. Potato is another key ingredient of generally most of the Bengali dishes. So here we need potatoes. I have cut 2 mid-sized potatoes into this size, roughly like 8 pieces. And then we need green chilies. For seasoning we need bay leaves, whole spices like whole cardamom, green cardamom, a stick of cinnamon, a few cloves and whole cumin seeds. Other spices needed are cumin, powdered coriander, turmeric and red chili. I prefer to use a little bit of red chili, not much, a few cloves of garlic and ginger. So let's start. We add about a spoonful of ghee to fry the rice. The rice, I haven't washed it, but if you want you can wash and then dry it and use it. So here I have taken about a quarter cup of rice and I'll fry that in this ghee. I don't need a whole lot of ghee, only a little bit is fine. So we have to cook it till it turns kind of white. So as you can see, some of the rice has become more white. They are white, but some are whiter. So when all the rice kind of turns to that white, we know that it's done. Next we'll fry the fish, the head, thoroughly. I prefer to use mustard oil for most of my fish preparation, but it's up to you. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil, whatever. Now that the oil is smoking, we'll add the pieces one by one. To take care, it's cluttered, so I generally use the cover as a shield. And we lower the flame. So cook on a low flame or low temperature until the fish is thoroughly brown. So from time to time we have to carefully just turn the pieces so that all the parts just come in contact with oil. So now we start the rest of the cooking. To the same oil, if you need, you might add a few more drops to the same pan. We add the seasoning, bay leaves, the whole cumin seeds, the green cardamoms which I have crushed a little bit, the cinnamon stick, and the cloves. A couple of seconds, and once they start browning and you start getting the smell, that is the nice aroma, then we add the potatoes. The spices need to be fried well, but they should not burn. That will give a burn kind of taste. fry the potato. So after frying the potatoes for 3 to 4 minutes, we add the ginger and the garlic. So I grated the garlic and crushed the ginger, and we add the whole of it. So after about a minute or so, we can add the dry spices. You can either make a paste from the spices and water, but I prefer to add them dry because that way I think it comes out better. Just the aroma of it. We have to be careful at this point because it might get burnt a little, so we have to be ready with a little sprinkle of water if needed. Very little, it should not be a lot of water, just to prevent the burning. So out of the green chilies, I saved some to add at the end, and I give some now. Depends on your taste how. So generally I break and give it, add it to it, and then I would add the rice. Cook it for a few more minutes. I am adding about a cup of warm water. And we'll let it cook. I'll cover it and let it cook for some time. From time to time, remove the lid and give it a stir to make sure it's not settling at the bottom of the pan. So while the rice is cooking, we'll add salt. So it's totally to taste. And it also needs some sugar, like most of the Bengali dishes. Be a little conservative while adding sugar. About 1 teaspoon. Now that the rice is partially cooked and the gravy has thickened, we'll add the fish, the fried fish head, and cook for some more time, and then add some little more water. So I'm checking from time to time. I did have to add another half cup of water, and now basically I have to play around with the heat and water to make sure of 3 things. 1, the rice is cooked but not overcooked. The potato is well cooked, and the water, the consistency would be such that it won't be a gravy, but it would be a little watery, because after we are done and we let it set for some time, it would absorb the water a little more and get drier. So now we are almost done. Most of it was cooked with the lid on. I just removed it to check, and I think we are done. A little bit of gravy is there, but it would be absorbed, as I said. So the last few things to add, we can turn off the stove top, and a couple of slid green chilies and a pinch of garam masala. This is roasted green cardamom, clove and cinnamon ground to powder, and the other optional thing is a little bit, a spat of ghee that gives a nice aroma. This is absolutely optional. If you want to avoid it, it's good. And we'll just let it sit for around 5 to 10 minutes till the water, you see, the gravy gets absorbed and becomes kind of not too dry, not too gravy, kind of that consistency. So the dish is done. You can have it with roti or parota. I prefer it with roti. Let's try it. The most important part of it is trying it out.